Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the channel Sultan Technical. Today our topic is the 12 most expensive cars on the market. These are the 12 expensive cars on the market. These cars are the pinnacle of automotive excellence and have prices to match. Assembling the list of the most expensive new production cars is not easy as it seems. Unlike the least expensive cars, where you can simply check the window sticker on a handful of economy cars, there is a never ending arms race among the top 0.1% of cars. In this rare air, the race for the fastest is almost inconsequential compared to the most exclusive, and therein lies the problem. The classification of production car is important as hypercar manufacturers will produce an extremely limited run or even a one-off in order to provide something desirable to the billionaire who has it all. If an automaker produces one or two examples, we shall pass over it, but if there were maybe 20 or so made, that's good enough for us. You may never see any of the following vehicles on the street. It's most likely the next time you see one will be at concourse, extremely upscale car show or at a museum. But when you do, you will be able to impress others by knowing just know how much money such a machine costs. This is the car. The second one is 2021 Nissan GT-R 50 by Ital Design. This is the price of this car. Units produced 50. This is a limited run based on an existing supercar that has been completely reworked by Ital Design, which is a storied Italian design house credited with penning numerous Alfa Romeos and Mercedes. As the name might suggest, the GT-R 50 is based on the Nissan GT-R and just 50 examples will be produced. The standard GT-R's body is heavily reworked, including a lower roof and a rear window that is stretched further toward the all-new fixed rear wing. The result looks like it could have been the original concept car for the GT-R. The cabin can be personalized by customers, but it's still based on the original GT-R cabin. That's a bit of a disappointment for $1 million car, as the GT-R features a basic mechanical dash design. This is the third one, 2022 Pininfarina Battista. This is the price of this car. Units produced 150. Pininfarina is yet another Italian design firm and arguably the most iconic. It is responsible for decades of head-turning Ferrari designs, and its first ever stand-alone production car is named for Pininfarina founders Battista Pininfarina. It is built in the same factory as the Rimac Nevera and uses the same EV powertrain, but great lengths have been taken to ensure the chassis and underpinnings are thoroughly unique. Like its Croatian counterpart, the all-electric Battista. Electric Battista. But great lengths have been taken to ensure the chassis and underpinnings are thoroughly unique. Like its counterpart, the all-electric Battista features a full carbon fiber monocoque construction and carbon fiber body panels. Inside, the steering wheel is flanked by touch screens. that control the vehicle's functions. The Barista has a deploying car rear spoiler that acts as an air brake, and it emits a synthetic engine sound through internal and external speakers. The 1877 horsepower hypercar is expected to arrive in the US market in early 2020. This is the fourth one. 2021 McLaren Speedtail. This is the price. Units produced 106 within its lineup of high-speed supercars. McLaren has a series that exists above the rest. This is called the Ultimate Series and includes the P1 hypercar, the Senna track-ready weapon, and the Speedtail, which is designed to maximize and the aerodynamic properties of the automobile. It is a testament to automotive engineering with its 3 seats integrated into the carbon fiber chassis. The Speedtail features a twin turbocharged hybrid V8 powertrain that makes an incredible 150 horsepower and 848 pound-feet of torque. It features a velocity mod that lowers the vehicle by 1.4 inches for improved aerodynamics and high-speed stability. It can launch from 0 to 186 mph in just 13 seconds. The Speedtail features a full wrap-around instrument panel and uses electrochromatic glass for automotive window tint. This is the fifth one. 2022 Lotus Evija. This is the price. Units produced 130. Lotus is often associated with small, lightweight, and minimalist sports car. By comparison, the Evija is a moonshot. It features a radical design with large open tunnels along the rear wheels, made possible by all the electric powertrain with electric motors at all 4 wheels. The Evija makes a combined 9072 horsepower and the 1254 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to leap from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. According to the Lotus, the Evija has an estimated range of 250 miles. It has fast charging capability, allowing it to go from 20% to 80% charge in just 18 minutes. The Evija features a futuristic interior with a fully digital instrument and panel and a yoke-style steering wheel. This is the sixth one. 2021 Aston Martin V12 Zaguta Heritage Twins by R. Reforged. This is the price. This is the units produced 25 pairs. Zaguta is another farmed Italian design house and has been known for gorgeously crafting new body styles for Alfa Romeos and Aston Martins. R. Reforged is a Swiss engineering company that has produced these modern interpretations of 211 Aston Martin vintage V12 Zaguta. Interestingly, these two cars, a Zaguta Cup and Zaguta Roadster, are sold in pairs for twins for a cool $4 billion. In addition to the eye-catching body redesign, the pair received chassis and suspension upgrades. They each feature a 608 horsepower 5.9 liter V12, which is up 40 horsepower standard vintage V12. They each require 400 hours to craft the new bodywork without messing with the carbon fiber components. These are the 6 expensive cars in the market. Subscribe this channel.